Hi, I'm Kritika Dalvi from the Godrej Industries Group. I'm part of the Good and Green team and I manage the systems and processes, basically the ESG data for the entire group. So I see AI as a tool basically for faster decision making and quality decision making. Much of our data at the moment lies in fragmented pieces everywhere, maybe in SAP or in other places or our HRMS systems and everything. And that's not an ideal way to how decisions are supposed to be made. So I think the financial services industry with the predictive risk models and the manufacturing sector with how we can manage the supply chains better would really compound in the upcoming years, because both these industries rely heavily on predictions and pattern recognition, so which I think AI would really come into picture. So apart from these sectors, I believe any business that integrates AI into the core strategy and decision making instead of just looking at it as a trend to keep up with will really benefit from AI. I think the leaders getting AI right are the ones who are actually looking at it as a strategic investment instead of just a technological investment. Because in terms of reporting, especially if I have to say for sustainability, using AI only for automating reports instead of looking at it as a resource for data and data insights is what leadership should look into. I think a big question that we can ask now because of AI is that what kind of risk and opportunities lie hidden in our data, because we have data sets like 10 years of data set and all, and we've still not analyzed that data for any kind of insights. 3 years ago that was not possible given the scale of data, the kind of variables that come up and the variances that have come up. It was not possible to quite analyze that quantum of data, which AI has made possible now. So a big question that we couldn't answer a few years back as a corporate sustainability team also was what kind of risk and opportunities are lying hidden in our data. And we have data sets for 10 years and 15 years with us, and we've actually not used the data set for any kind of insights. So I think what as a role AI plays is more in terms of predictive analytics instead of hindsight reporting, to give us really actionable insights going ahead. So what excites me a lot about AI is the predictive analytics, anomaly detection, and the kind of insights it generates and the speed at which it generates for us to take action upon. Because traditionally, as a corporate sustainability team, we've spent a lot of time cleaning up the data, reporting it, and then maybe looking into insights around it. So that time for us is really saved and frees up our time to focus on other initiatives and actually doing actionable stuff. So I'm particularly very excited about how we could be strengthening the business case for sustainability using the operational and financial performance data. And it helps to see the corporate sustainability team just as a reporting function, instead to see it as a more strategic team giving insights on how the business strategy in the long term could shape up. So what I really liked about Newtral was the adaptability and the ability to customize the modules of the platform according to our business's needs. Being a part of a conglomerate, we have businesses ranging from like real estate, manufacturing, chemical manufacturing, financial services. We have quite a lot of sectors, and having one ESG platform to manage at the corporate sustainability team was really important for us. So Godrej being a conglomerate and we operating across various sectors from manufacturing, real estate to financial services, we needed a solution which was very unique and that catered to needs of all our sectors. And that I think differentiated Newtral for us from all other platform vendors. So what really differentiated Newtral's AI solution from the other platform vendors was the offering it had to give us in terms of catering to all the needs of all our sectors.